today?
We decided we were going to do a quick video to embed in our newsletter and to kind of briefly touch on a few of the subjects that we wanted to share with you instead of having to list all this stuff to read through. So we are going to get started.
First things up is that we have this new distinctive stamp that Stampin' Up is providing all of us, and we're so excited about. But what's even better is that in this month, so April, will that be
April 2019? Yes, it will be.
April 2019's Paper Pumpkin is going to include this distinctive stamp. And so, do you want to tell them a little bit about the distinctive stamp?
Well, in our email, you will see an image of that says distinctive and these beautiful colors. Those beautiful colors, it's going to be for the Paper Pumpkin for April 2019. And it's going to have 9 cards, 3 designs of each, and it says gift box, including a gift box. Now, I'm not sure if that is actually going to be the gift box. Let me show you. If you're considering the box that this comes in as the gift box, or if it's going to have a separate gift box alone.
I hope so.
Oh, that would be so awesome.
Cool.
Anyway, some of the colors, they give you a sneak peek of what is entailed in the next Paper Pumpkin kit. And so that image you see is going to have like the mint macaron, flirty flamingo, gray granite, so saffron. Oh my goodness, flirty flamingo, calypso coral, and then of course the basic black colors. So those are some of the fun colors that you're going to see in next month's, or actually this month's Paper Pumpkin. So
you can order that through April 10th at 11 p.m. Mountain Time.
Yep.
That's the last time that you can get it, and you don't want to miss out on this distinctive
don't.
stamp. Paper Pumpkin is a
my
great
goodness.
way to craft at home. You don't have to go out to our house or anybody else's house. You do this in the comfort of your home. It has instructions for you, and you can do whatever you want with it. There's no rules.
Yep, you can bring it with you on trips or visits to the doctor, whatever.
Yep. Next on our list is the Storage by Stampin' Up. And so we're excited about this so much because, as you could tell from our background, we love to organize all of our crafting supplies. Well, I shouldn't say we. Maybe I do more than she does.
Oh, I love it too.
Okay.
It's just, I make a mess, she cleans it up.
We love to organize our crafting tools and supplies because it makes us feel like we can be more creative. And it kind of sparks our creativity.
It really does.
A lot easier when you have clean space versus having messy, unorganized. And that's what this Storage by Stampin' Up, thank God, they finally did it. Yay! They have these cute little products that you could see on the screen right now. You have the ink pad holders, which also hold your markers. You have your Stampin' Blends trays, you have open storage cubes, you have a topper, you have a storage lid, and it's just amazing. It's going to make so many lives
that much
better.
easier.
Yeah, right?
It really, having your crafts in front of you, it just makes you that much more productive. And like Kayla said, it just inspires you to want to create.
And we're also going to include a configuration chart in our email below. So make sure you check that out so that you could see what products that work best for you and yours, and do this kind of like, it's a little quiz. I'd say it's a quiz.
Well, kind of.
Yeah, where you say, okay, I have this many pads and markers, and then you divide it by this number, and then that tells you how many you're going to need. Right?
Perfect.
Next up is our retiring colors.
Yes.
So the 2017-2019 in colors are retiring.
This was sad.
So sad about
My
it.
favorite is Lemon Lime Twist.
Yes.
Initially, I wasn't liking that color, but it is my favorite.
So on this list includes Powder Pink, the Tranquil Tide, Lemon Lime Twist, Fresh Fig, and Berry Burst.
Yep.
And what is going to happen is that at the new annual catalog for 2019, we're going to have brand new in colors come in.
Oh gosh, I can't wait to see what they are.
And we'll have a new family, color family that you all will enjoy. My bet is on like a periwinkle.
She's betting on periwinkle.
I want a periwinkle color.
I hope they come out with it because I love the bluish purples and
it's beautiful, beautiful color.
Yeah,
so
fun.
That you want to stock up on any inks, any paper, any pads, anything you want.
Refills,
ribbon,
anything.
This is the time to get it before it's gone. Like, you're not going to be able to get this anymore.
Retiring list is going to be coming out on April 15th, and yep, you're going to want to snatch it up. Hurry up and get some of those. If you some of those colors that we mentioned are your favorites, you're going to want to get them before they are sold out, and you'll never be able to get them back. Another item we wanted to bring to your attention is the floral paper, and I don't know if you've seen some of our videos, but we have a floral grid paper that we use as kind of like our landing spot where we do our work. And Stampin' Up! Has made that available now as of April 1st to customers to purchase. It's $11.75, and I believe you get 50 sheets, I believe it is. So if anybody is interested in ordering that, the item number is, where did it go? Well, you can...
It's on your screen.
Yeah, it'll be on your screen. So another item that we wanted to bring to your attention is that since we are coming up on the annual catalog release, we would love to send you a catalog if you do not have a demonstrator. If you want to just message us, either email us or instant message us on Facebook and let us know your mailing address, we'll make sure to send out a catalog to you right away.
Don't forget about this month's specials. On the screen you'll have our April hostess code. Additionally, this month we are offering, with any purchase, we're offering a full roll of the Blueberry Bushel ribbon, which you see on your screen right now. And that's with any purchase. All you have to do is click shop with us and visit our store, and you'll be able to put a purchase in under us, and then you'll automatically get that from us.
And they need to use the April hostess code that will be provided
on the screen. And then also, in addition to that, if you purchase over $50, we are going to give you a free tutorial bundle. And so this is going to be 54 pages of instructions. And we're so excited because these are from demonstrators all around the world. And these are the only way you can get the instructions for these projects. Don't forget about our loyalty rewards. You have the chance to earn a free stamp set from us. We want to give you a free stamp set of your choice. All you have to do is go to stampingbay.com/loyalty rewards, and you download our PDF, and it has like a whole checkbox system. So what happens is for every $50 you spend, you get to check off a box. And once you get 10 check marks, that means that you get a free stamp set of your choice. And who doesn't love free stuff, right? Especially when you get to choose what the free stuff is. So don't forget to do that. You have to make sure that it's at least $50, otherwise it won't count for one of those check marks. Or it's $100, then you get 2 check marks, right?
Exactly.
And then finally, even though celebration is over, you have a chance to join our team still. We'd love to have you a part of Stampin' Bays. And if you join now in the month of April, you have a chance to pre-order and see the annual catalog before anybody else.
Absolutely.
And so you don't want to miss out on that. On top of getting all this free product, on top of all of these great opportunities of joining our team, you just don't want to miss out.
What's really cool, like Kayla said, is that you get to pre-order stuff. You can even put it in your starter kit. April 15th is when everybody else can order. Kayla and I and a few members of our team are going to On Stage Local, which is in Minneapolis. We'll be attending that one. We get to pre-order right away that day. As soon as we get the catalog in our hand, we can order off of a preset list of items that we can order. However, it's going to be available for other people to order later on that week. I'm not quite sure if it's the 15th or if it's a couple days later, just to switch the system and everything. So it's pretty exciting. We would love to have you on our team and enjoy all the fun stuff that we get to do. So
thanks for joining us today. Make sure that you look at everything below to check out all the great deals. Make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Pinterest, follow us on Instagram. Don't forget about our YouTube instructional videos. And we'd love to hear what your thoughts are and see some of your cool creative projects. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.